Hey everyone, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. Happy New Year guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you had a really good safe time and a really enjoyable holiday break. I'm back, 2019, who would have thought. I thought a really good intro video for the year. First one of the year would be to cover my little Giaco Whatever Maker Knife. Now I saw Giaco post this on his YouTube channel probably about 3 months ago, and I thought, you know what? I want one. I like the design of it. I love the aesthetics of it, the way it fitted into his hand, and I just had to have one. So yeah, I placed my order with Giaco, and lo and behold, I got back from my vacation, and my daughter gave it to me. She said, "Dad, this came in the mail for you." So I'm really excited today, guys, to share this unboxing with you, and hopefully you enjoy it and you'll get something out of it. So to start off, guys, this was the Kickstarter funding that Giaco's did on his YouTube channel. The cost was €49. Now that's a little bit expensive when you convert it to Australian dollars. It works out to be about $76. When you think about it, that's not too bad for a bespoke item. Like, you can't buy these in the shops, obviously. You had to be a backer, a supporter, that sort of thing. So that's a good thing. It's good to have something personalised as well, that I know the guys did. Even though I think they got these manufactured in China, they actually built every one of them by hand themselves. So thanks guys, I'm really looking forward to it. Overall impressions, guys, of the boxing, I'm really quite satisfied with it. It sort of has that Apple feeling to it, like an iPad or an iPhone or something like that. I thought the labelling on the front was a little bit bland. I thought they could have done with some colour graphics, but obviously guys, that all adds to cost. So obviously they're trying to keep the cost down, and you know, you may think an extra $1, but if you're making 1,000 of these things, it eats into your profits. All right, guys, so it's quite good. It's actually sealed, and it's got in here, guys. I love the little sticker on the back. They've got here, "Make your last bad cut here." That's pretty cool. Alrighty, so let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. I've got my old Stanley knife here, so Giaco, I'll never have to use this again, will I, once I use your Maker Knife? And we'll cut this open. And here we go, taking off the lid, guys. Oh, very nice. I'd actually forgotten which colour I bought. So this one here, guys, I actually bought a black one. I thought I bought a silver one, but I stand corrected. That's okay. Black looks lovely. I love the anodizing on it. It's quite, well, it looks like the mechanism has been surface ground. I love the little pocket clip that they've got in here as well. It's a very clever mechanism, how it locks. Very, very cool, guys, indeed. Looks in here. Right, we'll take this out, a little screwdriver in here. And we'll lift out this. I can't remember if I bought blades with it or not. Maybe I didn't get blades with it. There is some instruction manuals down below. I'm having trouble getting, here we go. Voila. Look at that. Well, really cool, guys. He's thrown in a little band-aid here. It's even got Giaco's YouTube symbol, the pair of glasses, and it's a band-aid. How cool is that? I think you know me too well, Giaco. I think you know I'm going to cut myself with this thing. We've got an additional screw in here as well, guys. We've also got a Maker Knife assembly plan. The drawing's been open in line for instruction, and step-by-step instruction on how to put a blade in there. Okay, let's have a look here. Very, very cool, guys. Okay, I'm going to go get a blade and shove it in, and let's have a look at it. Now, I do remember blades were actually, you know, that was an optional extra. You could buy a ceramic blade. I've got some Stanley knife blades here that I keep in my shop. Only problem is I can't see things anymore. I need to get my glasses back on. Let's have a look here, try and get one of these off, because they seem to be all stuck together. Okay, here we have it. Let's open up the Maker Knife. Let's see if the blade will go in. I think I'm going upside down. It's going to go in this way by memory. We push down on here. There we have it, guys. How freaking cool is that? There we have it, guys. How cool is that? I love the little locking mechanism on it. It just locks in there. It won't flick open. Hang on. Oh yeah, I could flick it open. How cool is that? I'm going to get myself hurt here. I know if I play around too much with it. Well, there we are, guys. The long-awaited Maker Knife. Very happy with it. Very sexy indeed. Very cool looking. Look at all those little clips. Some great machining on there. Really nice quality. So, even though Giaco and his team had this manufactured in China, guys, they actually went over there and overseen everything to make sure the quality was up to spec, and it shows in the finished product. It really does. So I'm very happy with it. I'm glad to have supported Giaco for this cause, and I feel honoured because Giaco is actually a subscriber to my channel as well. So thank you very much, mate. I'll treasure your Maker Knife, and until next time, guys, we'll see you back here. Thanks for joining in. Cheers.